Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you another free application, okay, where you can answer questions and earn money in return. It's very simple, straightforward, and it's actually free, okay, and then you can actually use it worldwide, irrespective of where you live or where you reside. You can actually use this app for free. Okay, so in case you are new to our channel or your first time watching our videos, welcome. Thanks for clicking on our video. Then make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos, because in the coming weeks I'll be uploading videos similar to these. Okay, without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So I'll be leaving a link to the application, okay, in the video description, and then pin comment, so you can just click on that to get into or just go straight to the app. Okay, this app is for both iOS users and then Android users. So as I initially stated, you answer questions and get paid. Okay, so let me show you the app and let's proceed. So this is the app. Okay, once you open this app, they will tell you to sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, you just sign up with your email and password. It's just straightforward, and then you just go in there. Now, one thing about this app is that once you sign up, they automatically generate your currency. Okay, so in case you are your currency is in USD, you get a sign up bonus in USD. Okay, it's an initial sign up bonus. So depending on the country you are in, once you sign up, immediately you sign up, you fill in your email address and password, you get your sign up bonus. Okay, depending on your currency. Okay, right. So on this application, and again, depending on your region or country, okay, the more or the less tax you get. Okay, so meaning that depending on where you stay or reside, that will tell or that will define the number of tax you'll be given to answer. Okay, so in case you are in a country where it's well developed, maybe let's say you are in USA and then your currency is in USD, you get a lot of tax, okay, to complete and then get the money in return. Okay, so once you come to this app, you can notice that we have your tax, the wallet, okay, your tax, your wallet, and then your account. So when you come to your account, this is where you have your account. Everything is over here. Now you come to your tax. Now when you come to your tax, you can go to maps. Okay, you can also use maps to know the tax available so that you can answer the question. So as I initially stated, this app is just for answering questions. Okay, you don't do much, you just answer questions, and then once you sign up, immediately you sign up, you get your sign up bonus in your currency. Okay, so let's go back. Now when you click on this dot, okay, when you click on this, okay, it will bring you over here. This tab will show you the available tax. Okay, so currently we have surveys. That's why initially you could notice that there are unpaid surveys over here. That's because I've already completed the paid surveys and then I've been paid. Now for this app, let's when you go closer to the end of this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw your money from this app. Okay, so let's proceed. These are unpaid tax. Now these unpaid tax will allow you to get paid tax. Okay, so once you complete these unpaid tax, they'll bring up or a paid tax will pop up on this home page. Okay, so that you can complete it and then you get paid. Now one thing about this app is that once you complete the tax, it will take approximately 24 hours for the review team to review it and then pay you. Okay, now let me show you the available tax. Okay, so we have travel tax, okay, record location tax, take photos tax, surveys, and taking screenshots. Now for taking screenshots, you just take screenshot of whatever the tax tells you. Okay, you take the screenshot, you submit. After review, you get your money. Okay, I'll show you how the review also looks like. Now for taking photos, the same thing. Maybe you take photos of places, things, or whatsoever. Okay, after that you submit and then get paid. Location, to you record the location, specific location the app is telling you, you just record that, you submit the video, and after review you get paid. And then travel, okay, so they tell you to maybe go to a specific location, record something of that sort, and then you get paid. Now currently I've completed the take photos tax, okay, that's why I cannot highlight that, okay, it's faint. Now for I have only what the take surveys, and then I've not done any unpaid surveys at the moment, okay. So once I complete this one or this one, I'll get what a paid survey and then complete. And then once I complete that, other surveys will also be unlocked, okay. Maybe taking screenshots will be unlocked, or taking photos will be unlocked. Now once you come here, this is how your wallet will look like. Now from here you can notice that there's amount currently in my wallet. You can notice that I've not done much, okay, but after this video I'll continue with what I was doing. I just wanted to show you guys so that you earn alongside me, okay. Now I've completed some tax over here, so this is what full security tax, which is under review, and then I'll get paid once what the review is done. And then I've done what an unpaid tax over here. Now this is how you cash out. You either cash out through what Coinbase, okay, that's crypto, or what your bank account. So from here you can notice that this is, I'm currently in Ghana, so I have what a Momo account, okay. There's a Momo account. So once I reach the threshold, okay, I think the threshold is what 30 cedis. So you could notice that I have what 27.75 to go. After that I can just cash out, okay. This is very simple and straightforward. As I initially stated, it depends on your location and then the tax you get, okay. You just answer the questions and then you get paid. It's very, very simple and straightforward. Thanks for staying with me till the end of this video. So in our next video I will show you another app which is similar to this, okay. That one too, you just download it and use it. Now for this app you just watch videos, okay. After watching the videos, these are very short, 30 seconds ads, okay. After watching the video or ad, you get paid immediately, and then you can transfer this money to your bank account, PayPal, gift cards, and so on. In case you want to see that video, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification. I will see you in our next video. Have a lovely day.